They're monologues or poems from a collection called the River Anthology. And I got students and alumni and guest artists from the community involved to each do one single character. These are poems by Edgar Lee Masters about a fictional town, Spoon River, and they're monologues from the grave. So it's a haunting of sorts.
I would lie with eyes half open as if in sleep in the woods.
Over 20 performers are each going to arrive first at the library at 7 p.m. and tell their tale, maybe from Judgment Day, their plea for mercy.
Neither the Supreme Court nor my wife believed a word she said.
And then they move on. And then at 7:30, they arrive at Mitchell Hall and they loop. They perform again as if they are still dealing with the same subject matter over and over, that they have this haunting thing that they need to tell.
I never knew whether I walked the earth or whether flowers grew from within. Now I know.